I'm trying not to get wet here. Bowing your cello is very much like having your hands interact with Mother Nature. And in today's lesson, you're going to learn a little bit about bowing with the smoothness of the flowing of water. To best demonstrate this, I want to show you how the human arm interacts with Mother Nature in the sense where it gives you a straight bow. So if you put your hand in a stream of running water and you hold it there, you have to use a lot of energy to hold it in place. Eventually you'll get tired, and what will happen? Your arm will give. What if you pulled your arm back? How many of you have put your hand in water and moved it back and forth like this? It makes a mess. Instead, I think all of you have done this at least once in your life. Placed your hand in a stream of running water and let the hand glide as it does. Sink downstream and then come upstream. And the way you do that is with this wrist right here. We're dropping it in. As you see, when it drops in, it falls this direction. It doesn't go like this. It falls in like this. And then when you pull it back, that is the most comfortable way you can bow. Now I'm going to take my teaching bow and show you this. Hopefully I don't lose it. So here it is. Here's my bow. And then even though I'm holding it, there it is flowing back. And it's so much easier to do this, to lead with the wrist, as opposed to pushing it through the water like this. The water comes up to half my forearm when I do that. But if I don't do that, this is what happens. And that water flowing up the arm is very similar to you losing your sound or maybe fighting your cello to create music. You don't need to do that. Everything is built in. The cello is there to help you make the music, but don't fight the music. Allow your wrist to guide the bow, and so you can play more smoothly. Don't bow like this. See again? That's no good. That's forcing your sound. That's a very harsh sound. Flow your bow like the river of life. And let the wrist guide your movements. So thank you for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and like and turn on your notifications. It would help out the channel very much. And I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, wherever you are in the world, for sharing your precious time with me here on this channel as you travel along your own journey of music discovery. All right, Mochi. You see? And I hope I got all that.